Hello? Is it recording? I not know. Can you see me? Fucky hell, that's bright. Where do I look? Whoa. What is this light? What is it? I need to put... How can I fucking record into this? It's burning my eye sockets out. Hello, I bring to you the new camcorder. I'll be putting the fucker in the bin. It's blowing my eyeballs out. Hello guys. What have you two been up to? Dare I ask? Oh, the light's gone off. Why? Where am I looking? Am I looking at you now? That'll be the lens there, won't it? Right, I'm not used to this. Suppose I better get used to looking down the lens of a camera when I'm a superstar on the silver screen and all of that. I bring to you... That was just an introduction. This is the first time of me using my camcorder. I love it. It's just, you know, the button, the zoom in and out button. It's like being back in the 1990s. I always had a camcorder in my hand, like filming the bands and filming all sorts. And I've still got all the camcorders. You know, I'm a hoarder. Is it still filming? There's no buttons to save it still doing it. Like on the phone, it's got the minutes. There's no on-y-offy thing. Pardon me. Trolls, we all do it. Don't tell me you don't, babe. So I feel like I've gone back in time with the camcorder. I love it. Oh, the lights come back on. Why? And gone off again. I might have to read the instructions. I don't even know if it's filming me. Camera panning is too fast. Fucking telling me off. As if the fucking thing's telling me off. It's 4K technology. Apparently that's good. The light's gone back on. I'm going to have to read it. I'll read it tomorrow. See what happens if I put the side light off. See that? I can't look into the lens with that light on. I'll learn, won't I? Love you. Bye. Now there isn't even a button. Has that stopped recording? Camera panning is too fast. What the fuck? Right. There actually isn't even a button like on a phone. Oh, hang on. What's this up here? If I press that, what will that do? Absolutely fuck all. If I press... That's the zoom wide and the... What's the T for? Well, I thought T would be twin camera. What's this? Like a little match in the corner. What's that? Ooh. Manila sucker ea. The fuck? I not want any of this on. I can't. I just. Oh, hey up. What is this? Guys, can you help me out? Bright that like, isn't it? That's just off the little light on here. It goes on, then comes off again. How dry are my hands? I wouldn't care. I put oil on all the time. Fucking hell. I've just nearly lost my virginity there. Keeping the scissors on my knees where I've been cutting her open. I have oil in a soy sauce bottle because I keep putting it on my hands and my hands are still dry. Camera panning is too fast. Well, how fast do you want me to do it? As if there's a fucking speed limit on me camcorder. Fucking speed limit. I not know what's happening. And I can't put it off. I'll have to take the battery out.